to add a virtual or digital background. First step, open Zoom or click the link that you were sent to join your Zoom meeting. I'm showing this version where I just opened up Zoom. I'm going to click on my profile right in the top right corner. I'm going to click on settings. Then this box pops up. Go down to virtual background. And then I've already uploaded these digital backgrounds, but if you haven't uploaded them yet, you just click the plus sign right here in the bottom view, which if you haven't uploaded a background yet, it'll just show you in your environment. So go to add image, and then if you remember where you saved it, I saved it, the folder is called Beach Week, so I saved it in this folder. So then you just go, if you just want to select just one of the backgrounds, you select one. If you want to select multiple, you hold that top one, and then hold the shift key on your computer, and then while holding down that shift key, click on the last one. It highlights all of them, and then it lets you upload all of them at once. Then you either click on the open, some computers say open, some might have a slightly different word, but in general it means you click on the thing that will allow you to upload the file. There you go, now I have duplicates. Then you're going to select which one you want to use for that call, and once you found the one that you want, if you're in the settings view, you just click out, and then that automatically adds it for that call. Or if you're in the Zoom meeting view, you can start a meeting. So I started a meeting with myself here. Another way to get to this screen is the secret way. You have to click on this little arrow by the thing that says stop video. Then you're going to choose virtual background, and then it takes you back to that same menu. So you get a different one, and then X out of that, and now you have that selected as your digital background.